What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be spinning a wheel to find out which house I am going to decorate and build today. Let's go. Okay guys, so we have the wheel right here. Let's spin it and see which type of house I'm going to be able to build. Okay, mid-century. Wait, hold on. Is that like Victorian? Wait. Okay, so I'm going to look at some of these pictures. They're very modern, but they're also like, they use a color scheme of brown and a lot of glass. It's low-key cool. I've never actually heard of mid-century homes before, so that looks super cool. Credits to anyone who made these images, by the way. I don't claim that I have these images to myself. I'm just using this for reference. So yeah, these houses look really cool. I can't wait to build them actually. Yeah, I think I have an idea in mind. Anyways guys, for the rest of the video, I'm just going to be speed building, so feel free to slow the video down if you would prefer. Enjoy! Okay guys, so this is my tour of this mid-century home. I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. So this is the outside. It's really pretty with all the flowers. It's so pretty. And then we got like this part, this little deck. It's so amazing. Yeah, it's so it's like it's modern, but it's also cozy at the same time. And this is like the porch area. And guys, also the lighting is like bugging, so if the lighting looks weird, just like feel free to add more lights. But like, yeah, this is the bathroom. I love it. The reason why it's so out of theme is that because this is only the furniture that I have for bathroom. So yeah, that's why it's a bit cutesy, and the rest of it's like really modern. But anyway, this is the kitchen. I love the kitchen. It's so nice. I even got a cute coffee machine here. It's really cool. And we got a piano here, and then we go in. I forgot to add the lights here, but you guys can probably imagine it with lights. And I got a little picture of me and my pets. Oh, my pets, not me. I'm not in there. And then we go up here, these stairs, and it's beautiful. Look at that. It's so simplistic. Like there's not much that you can sort of like cram in. It's really nice. I like it. And yeah, and then we have a little cute pet room over here, very cute. And then a little like chilling area, like a laundry area in a way to keep wash your clothes and stuff. Then when we go up here, we have the top roof. Oh my goodness, that's bugging me, guys. But anyway, another glitch. And look at this lovely view. So it's so perfect. So obviously this house is amazing, and I'm really happy the way it turned out. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!